Okay, guys, so let's start this session of 2022. And as I was saying that we were not able to make the schedule because many things were going on. Was I audible? I think some network issue between there. Okay. Uh, yes. So I was saying, yes. So I was saying that you have seen the result of 2020. So you are having a lot of expectations from you that in 2022 you will get very good rank. And to get that top rank, you have to work very hard. Hard work is required beyond any doubt. Plus, in right direction. Only then you will be able to achieve that. As of now, we are sitting on October 5th. And I think pre is on June 5th, if I'm not wrong.
Yes.
Right. So roughly we are having around 8 months time. And how you utilize these 8 months are going to decide whether you are going to get a very good rank or not, whether you are going to clear the prelims or not, whether you are going to clear the mains or not. So you have to utilize these eight months in the right direction. You might find some topper stock where they are like I worked really less and I did whatever I could in only 2 months or 3 months, as Kunal has said. But Kunal had a proper plan for those 2 months. He had a proper plan and he was very good in execution. That is why he was able to clear. So shortcut, no. There are some who are lucky who get the rank, but this luck is not a rule. It is an exception. Okay, so please don't think that okay, I will get lucky just like they got lucky, right? Another thing is there are two type of candidate, and those who have enrolled even in them, there are two type of candidate. One candidate who is completely fresher. They have just started maybe in June, or maybe they are going to start in October itself. There are some who are old players. Old players means they have appeared in the examination earlier. They have given 2, 3, 4 attempts and they have joined the course. Okay, but you are not completely fresher. Okay, so you have touched, like you know what is Lakshmikant, you know what is spectrum, and you have done all those things. So strategy will be like those who are enrolled in the course. One side will go for fresher things because even in your head you have that thought that let me start my preparation again from the scratch. But at the same time, and today will allot a mentor to you. At the same time, what you have to do, whatever things will give for the fresher side, you have to add some of the things from the core means. It's not that freshers are not going to complete the course. You will be, but you are having some advantage. So you have to use that advantage. Okay, October, November, December, Jan. In 4 months, we'll cover mains. And those who have just attended the meeting for strategy, please have these small things in your mind. In October, November, December, Jan, we'll cover mains, complete mains. GS plus some part of essay. Not some, but yes, we'll write some essay. Fab, some means, but we'll move towards prelims. We'll taper the preparation as some are new to the prep. Initially in October, it will be a slow month. Slow in the sense that will make the habit of preparing will ensure that some consistency is there, that you are able to sit, let's say 6 or 7 hours. In November, we will be, that will be busy month, because you have to do a lot of things from core main, and we have to enter in this core mains. Okay, whenever I talk to students, and there are some and when I talk that are you done with your mains, and they are like, sir, we want to join your answer writing course. And I ask them that are you done with your mains? They are like, yes sir. And when I ask what you have done, they are like, sir, polity, history, geography, economy. And this is not mains, this is prelims. core mains is Core mains is when you are done with ethics, when you are done with internal security, when you are done with society, social justice, disaster management, governance, agriculture. This is the core mains. And students do not prepare this core mains, they clear the prelims. And just after the prelims, when they enter into answer writing mode or test series mode, they are like that we have not done anything for the mains. So you don't have to commit this same mistake. Okay. So core mains has to be prepared. In December, we will be doing like what I have thought of. In October, you will be consistent. In November, we'll do a lot of core mains. In December, we'll enter into massive answer writing. One mistake which everyone commits during their earlier attempts, that they don't practice. Because suppose there is a candidate and in October or in November, they are able to study well, they are able to finish their syllabus, they are able to make some notes. But unless you enter into answer writing, you don't know what means is. You have no clue about it. Only when you practice, you are able to understand that, okay, I was making the mistake. I was thinking that let me gather the content, let me gather the notes, let me make the notes. That is the mains preparation. From the fresher side, generally they write, like most of them, generally they write their first essay in the examination hall itself. That's a blunder. That is the biggest blunder. And then they get a score 80, 85. They don't prepare ethics. And when they see the previous year question is like, what is happiness meant for you? And what is the importance of happiness for civil servant? And you are like, I will be able to write. Question is very simple. In ethics, generally you will get very simple questions. The toughest part is once you sit for the answer writing, you are not able to write after 1 or 2 paragraphs because you do not have the content. And if someone is saying that you don't have to prepare ethics, you don't have to do answer writing, etc., please do not go in that side. Ethics require a lot of effort. A lot of effort is required. You have to finish the core part, the theory part. And in some talk, you will be like, some topper is saying that I had a very strong command over case studies, and that is the only mantra for getting very good marks. That is not the mantra, and that is not the rule. Because theory is of 120 marks, case study 130. By leaving this 120, how can you be sure that you will get 120? You will never get. Okay. So you have to keep these things in your head that unless I prepare theory part, I will not be able to write answer in theory part. And even in case studies, you will suffer. And you are like, okay, I will be able to solve case studies. Let me show you the mirror. You will not be able to. And these are the mistakes which are being committed even by us. And we know the importance of theory. In in some of the topper stuff, they are like GS2 and 3 is current affairs. And you are mad about current affairs. No, GS2 and GS3 is not about current affairs. And those who are old players, in GS3, there are sections economic development, agriculture, science and tech, security, environment, plus disaster management. What mistake they commit? They keep on doing economic development and 80% time. And even in economic development, 80% correct. Then they ask simple question, what is inclusive growth? What is inclusive development? And you are numb. क्योंकि कभी पढ़ा ही नहीं. You never focused on this definition part, on the core part. So that is why this core means if you do it well, only then you can think of getting 390 or 400 plus. Otherwise, there are many who are preparing for so long. They are putting a lot of effort and they are not able to cross 350. And you might have seen many mark sheet being shared. In mains, there are three things: essay, GS, optional, and lastly interview. Out of these four things, nowadays, even if you ruin one thing, then there is a possibility that you will get rank, but not a top rank. And if you are ruining two things, either SAGS, either GS optional, optional interview, then you are out of the list. And margin of marks is like top 30 have some difference in their marks. After that, on one single mark, 5, 6 candidates are there. Once you reach to the list, like 100 plus rank, on one mark, 7, 8, 9, 10 candidates are sitting. Can you see the competition? Competition is really high. Someone who got, let's say, 289, had this person got 10 more marks, this person would have been around 150 rank, 130 rank ka difference, around 150 or 160 rank. 10 more marks, IAS. So you cannot take the risk. Okay. Then, most important thing as of now in October, number one, GS, and number two, optional. If your optional is not prepared before prelims, then you will struggle during the mains. So whatever plan we will be having, whatever plan we will make, one slot, one fixed slot we will give for the optional. And this slot has to be like 4 hour, 3 or 4 hour. In this course, we are not covering the optional, but I will tell you that how we will put this in slot. These are two important things as of now for you. Then third thing, current affairs. You can choose any good current affairs monthly magazine. Okay. And if you are not doing it, there are many very good YouTube channel who share everyday current. Everyday current affairs. So if you are following those YouTube channels, then I think your life will become easier. Okay. So in GS, initially, those who are fresher will go for basic NCRTs. Old player, ask your mentor, add some core means. You have to add. Otherwise, you are not having the edge. And that edge you have to like utilize. Okay. Optional, whatever optional you have to give 3 to 4 hours. So in October, like as we have said, that there will be a weekly Zoom session for the strategy. So let's enter into strategy. Today we are sitting at October 5. Next meeting we will be having October 12. In between that, this time, very simple thing we are planning to do. What you have to do, you have to read modern history NCRT class 8, old one. Class 8, old one. And second, you have to do geography NCRT 6 to 8. Very simple target we are taking, and I hope that you will be able to finish this simple target. Why we are reading modern India NCRT 8? Because unless you know the story, because history is full of stories, then of course we have to mug up the facts. But unless you know the basic story behind the struggle for freedom, you will not be able to mug up the facts. People directly go to spectrum. But what I feel, spectrum is not about story. Spectrum is giving you facts. Spectrum is giving you some fodder material for the means. But spectrum is not and cannot be like if you know the story, then it will become easy for you to read the spectrum. So this story we have to read. In movie, just treat history as movie. In movie, first thing we have characters. So history is having some characters. Someone who has played some important role. Rather Ram Mohan Rai, Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Patel, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. There are many characters. So you should have a brief idea about those characters. Then in movie, second thing is events. Like in MS Dhoni movie, from his childhood to becoming one of the best captain of Indian cricket team. So some events are there that Gandhiji was in South Africa. He came to India and started Gandhian era. Britishers were not giving freedom to India. So there are events 1909, 1919. Then Congress sessions. Initially, you might struggle and you might be having doubt between Lahore and Karachi session, that what had happened in Karachi and what had happened in Lahore. But once you know the story, you are like, okay, now I know the background. Then you can go for the fact. And there are some facts which UPSC directly pick from NCERT 8th. Okay, so that is why we need this story to be read. Then comes history, geography. Why NCERT 6th, 7th, 8th? When every topper is saying do this notes, do that notes, or directly go for 11th class NCERT. Because if you will read geography, whatever you will read in 6th, 7th, 8th, it will add up, and then next is 9th, 10th. And the sum up of all the NCERT you will find in 11th. Some of the time, UPSC direct pick very simple question from 6th. Very simple. If you read it, then you will be able to solve that question in prelims. Right? So these two things you have to do, and very basic. These are very basic. No funda, no concept. So you will not struggle there. When conceptual things will come in 11th, we will teach you those things like Indian monsoon. So we will not simply say that go and read. We'll properly teach you that concept. Wherever conceptual clarity is required, we'll enter in this side. So there are two things in this course. Thing number one, like just today, I have given you this brief. So you have to follow these things. Second thing in this course, there are topics where conceptual clarity is required. We'll teach. So it will be mix of Zoom session plus teaching. Teach wala side, I think internal security. You might struggle in this. We'll take proper sessions and we'll tell you how to do it. Like in earlier 2022 batch, internal security, they have finished in 5 days because they knew the structure, they knew how to finish it. Then we will be taking some of the sessions for ethics. Again, I'm saying ethics looks very simple. It's not simple. Ethics looks very interesting. Theory part is not interesting. It is very boring. Unless we take proper share on that, you will not be able to understand the difference between ethics, values, and morality, attitude and aptitude, probity. So we'll take proper session. Okay. So this is the target for this week. History and geography. Sometimes you get 4 to 5 questions. Modern history, you get 4 to 5 questions in main. Question looks very simple. Provided you know the concept, provided you know the event, they'll ask you what was the impact of 1857 revolt on Indian freedom struggle. So looks very simple. You know the story. Some of the points, generic point, you will be adding. In geography, around 4 to 5 questions. Core geography. not 6th, 7th, 8th, but from 11th, of course. So some of the direct question, but very simple. And kid you not, during mains you will not be touching geography. You will not be going back to the NCRT, and they will ask you explain Indian monsoon. They'll ask to explain oceanic current. During pre, though, you have mucked up all the things. But during mains, one, if you are not going through NCRT, and we'll give you proper topic list which are required to be read for the mains, then you will struggle. And you are like, I wish I could go through once, only through these NCRTs. Right? In the pre, modern history question around 8, geography around 10, 8 to 10. So these are the things which are not limited to prelims, which are not limited to mains. These are the topic which we call pre-cum mains strategy. These are the things where you have to adopt some attitude that okay, I'm doing it not only for prelims, not only for mains, but pre-cum mains. Okay. Then comes the question of notes making. In first reading, we don't make notes. We don't make notes in first reading. Otherwise, 50-page NCRT and you are making 30-page notes. So a small version of NCRT you are making, not required. You are not working for some coaching which I have asked you to consolidate. 50-page NCRT, hardly 5 to 6 page notes. This will come when you will go through second and third reading. Then you know that okay, these are the important things which I have to prepare in my notes. Otherwise, you will add all the kachra things in the notes. That is not required at all. So notes, no. In October, no. In November, yes. Got it? Okay. Newspaper. Some of you might be spending 2-3 hours. Not required. Hardly 1 hour. And we will take one proper session and on this newspaper. Wala. Okay. So newspaper, if you are spending 2 to 3 hours, not required at all. Hardly 1 hour is required. Then let's come to the most important thing, that is planning. Let's say someone is having optional anthro and someone has just started the preparation and target has been given for modern 8 geo 6 to 8. How to plan? So one way of planning is weekly. So we have planned this for a week, that in this week we will do it. In week we never plan for 7 days. We plan for 6 days. 6 plus 1. One day has to be a spare day. Some breathing space is required in your planning. Some breathing space is required in your strategy. Because we treat ourselves as Superman. I will to finish everything in a week, and next week I'm rank 1. That is not going to happen. This one day you have to keep with you. You need proper breaks. You cannot exhaust yourself in the preparation. So this one day will help. So now 6 days are left. So one is weekly. And second, and the most important, is daily. Generally what happens that okay, you have that target with you, you have your optional, you have newspaper, current affairs, everything. and you are like, I will do it, and you start your day, let's say, with Anthro, and in a week you want to finish some of the topic, and that topic is not ending. So day one, day two, Anthro. You are not doing newspaper, you are not doing CA, and suddenly you realize that you have to do it. Then third day you are picking some current affairs, newspaper, fourth day, and you are seeing that this target is being left. Fifth day you are picking modern. Sixth day you are frustrated that even this small thing I was not able to do it. So this is why frustration comes, because people forget to plan their day. This is the only thing you have in your hand. If you are good in daily planning, then you will definitely achieve your goals. Okay, let's assume that you have to study 9 hours. I'm taking some long hours. As of now, I know that you might not be even able to study for 4 to 5 hours initially. Just give me a second. Let's assume that you are studying for 9 hours. Then how to utilize this 9 hours? And you are having some things with you, Anthro, GS, newspaper, oblique current affairs. Let's assume that you wake up at 8 a.m. in the morning and you sleep by 12 in the night. Okay. Someone might be thinking that, sir, I sleep for 12 hours. So let us see that. Okay, 8 a.m. in the morning, 12 in the night. So we'll divide this whole day in 3 slots, 9 hours. Slotting is very much important. What you will do that, okay, 9 to 12, your first slot is 9 to 12. Your second slot is 2 to, let's say, 5. And your third slot is 8 to 11 in the night, morning, afternoon. We never, I have said it many times, we never start our day with a newspaper and tea. Never. This first slot is very important. It is the most important slot you are having. This first slot is meant for things which are difficult for you, plus rewarding in exam. So it could be Enthro, it could be GS. Ideally, I will request that you go for optional in the morning, because from GS side we are not having the difficult things. So difficult, moderate, easy. This is how we make our 3 score. All the things are important from the examination point of view, but newspaper you can read even in the night. No alertness is required. And why this first slot is very important? Because your mind is fresh and you are alert. You are very much alert in this side. So 9 to 12, and I'm not having Anthro as an optional. Let me change it to philosophy. I had philosophy. Then 2 to 5 GS, 8 to 11 newspaper, current affairs, or anything. As of now, we are not entering into answer writing, so you don't have to worry about that particular thing. Then October 5 night. October 5 night, you should be having proper schedule with you. What is that proper schedule? That in philosophy, what I will do, that in paper 1, October 6th, this is my spare day, as we will meet on 12th. This is my spare day. So on 6th morning, when I wake up, I will finish Charvak. Charvak is first topic in Indian philosophy. On 7th and 8th, I will finish Buddha. That's a big topic. Charvak is very small topic. On 9th and 10th, I will finish Jaina. So Charvak, Buddha, Jaina. 3 topic I will finish in this week. I must be having proper material with me. So I have decided that I will read Patanjali notes. Patanjali is a institute for philosophy. Or there is a possibility that I might have subscribed to some classes. So some videos are there. You might have purchased some course which is existing in your account, but you are not using it. And please remind me this thing, video thing. I will give you very important input in there. So I will read from Patanjali, Charvak 6, 9 to 12. I will read Buddha, Buddha 1, Buddha 2 on 7th and 8th, 9 to 12. Because it is very important for me, because I'm not able to read my optional. And I know from the core of my heart that it is very important to finish my optional in the like in this time. So I will do it. Then I have modern, target of modern 8th and 6th, 7th, 8th NCERT. So 2 to 5, 2 to 5 is for my GS. So on 6th and 7th, I'll finish modern. I'll definitely finish modern on 6th and 7th, because it is like of that size. On 8th, I will finish 6th plus some part of 7th. 6th is a very small NCERT, very small. Some part of 7th, then some part of 7th on this, plus 8th, 8th, done. And this plan works. I know first thing what to read, from where to read, and how to read. These 3 things, if you know what to read, from where to read, and how to read, this is where mentorship enters. This part is so like everyone is having some notes, some material from here and there. But how to read, how to finish that, that is very important. So 6 to 10, I'm done with my 3 target. I'm done with my philo, some part, GS, whatever target I have. Okay, so 2 things are done. And if you will follow it, you will find that your productivity will increase more than 200%. Whatever planning you were doing earlier, whatever things you were doing earlier, that was haphazard. Starting a day with the newspaper, then reading some GS, then leaving that GS, going to optional, then leaving that, and this leaving part, and month is gone. Another month is gone, and you will find yourself in the month of Feb, where you will be attending the session, how to prepare for the prelims. And those who have enrolled for this batch will make sure that by month of Feb you are done with many things. So this planning thing is very important. Now 8 to 11, I will read newspaper. Okay. Then if you want, you can watch one video on daily current affairs. And after these 5 days, you will be happy. Happy why? Because the only stress we get, the only frustration, depression comes when we are not able to prepare well. And if you are able to prepare well, then where is that frustration and depression? There is no need of that. So there is no need of that. So there is no frustration and there is no depression. Okay. Newspaper, how to do it? One session will be pending on this. Let's move further. You will be making a chart of tracking that, let's say for films, we will share that Word file which we had made like last year. In that, keep on adding that, okay, I'm done with modern 8th NCERT. And you have to make 3 spaces, 3 columns. A row. First time, second time, third time. And you have to mark tick that, okay, first time done. Then we will come back to the revision cycle. Second time done. Then third time done. If your things are done 3 times, you are good to go for the exam. And someone might be thinking that, sir, if we'll follow this strategy, we are not having time. Where is the time? Let me tell you, we have the time to prepare, but we don't have the time to waste. And candidates waste their time going from one strategy to another, then another, and end up doing nothing. So you don't have to suffer in that cycle. Okay? Step by step, we'll move. Step by step, we'll move. And we'll reach where we really want to reach. And one thing which I was telling about the video, and for the working candidate, I will say share some of the points. Video course is a new normal. You might have purchased it for your optional or for current affairs or for anything. Length is 2 hours, some are 3 hours. First video done, second done, third after 15 minutes get bored, and when 2 hour video is over, you wake up that, okay, the video is done, and you are like, I'm not able to watch the video. Are you facing this issue? Right? So this is the issue with the candidate, with the video. One simple rule you have to follow. Whatever video you will watch, whatever video, you have to make the notes. It could be your optional video, it could be your GS video. There is a possibility coaching has provided you the notes. Add 2 blank page in those notes. Whatever video you will watch, you have to make the notes. Only this is the only way by which you will be able to finish the whole course. This is the only way by which you will be connected with the video. Otherwise, your video course and your amount is being wasted. And why I am telling you this? Because once upon a time, I was having one course of video during my preparation time. Total 40 videos were there. I watched one video, then second I was lost in my thoughts, and I didn't. I didn't even watch the remaining videos. And next year when I was appearing, I was like, no, this year though I have to do it. Then I started making the notes. And by making the notes, I was able to finish all 40 videos. And I was quite happy. I was quite alert with the video. My mind was like, okay, what sir is saying, let me hear that. So please, this particular thing you have to integrate. Only then you will be able to finish. Got it? So this is it for this week. This week, this is it. Make a schedule, make a chart, share it with your mentor. Mentor will be with you, and mentor will guide you that okay, like you might find some of the plans. I will wake up at 8:30, newspaper 9:45, 9:50 to 11:50, this NCRT, then 12 to 2, this Nthro, then 3 to 4, then 4, 5 to 5:30. These plans never work. Please don't. Don't. Simply go for the slot, 3 slot, as per your biological cycle. Then you will be able to finish a lot of things in less time and you will be happy. So this is it for this week. Now, if someone is having any doubts, please feel free to ask. Recording will be shared definitely.
Hello, sir. Can I ask
Yeah.
a question, sir?
Yes, please, please.
Sir, you told me about covering the newspaper, and for this, you were suggesting that to watch any YouTube video
Yes,
as per your requirement. So sometimes you will also tell na in the session that which article is more important or this news to be
definitely,
covered.
definitely, definitely.
Okay, sir. Sir, one more thing. Do you have a commerce and optional strategy for this? Because I have taken commerce and optional.
Commerce. In interview batch, one candidate was there. I will ask him to share his strategy. I think that will help.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, one more thing, sir. Commerce
Yeah.
optional is good, na?
Yeah, it is good. It is giving very good marks. Only in interview you have to prepare a lot of topics from commerce side because they'll ask many questions.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome.
Hello.
Yes.
Sir, I have a doubt regarding my optional. It's my
Yeah.
second attempt. So how should I plan, like watching the video and also preparing the theory part from book? My option is psychology.
Okay. And are you having any video access to any coaching?
Yes, sir. I have an academy's video of
Okay.
optional.
So what you have to do, 9 to 12, simply watch the video.
Okay.
As of now, simply watch the video, make the notes. Okay. Try to finish your video, let's say by December 15th. So once you are done with your classes, then go to the notes, then integrate your notes with their notes.
Sir, what do you mean by integrating my notes? So I am making
Because
notes
in
of
these
the
notes,
video. Okay.
in these notes, some of the things which the classroom was providing might not be there. So you have to add. Or what you can do, take the printout of their notes, attach 1 or 2 blank sheet in there, and if you find that some new information is coming, write it there. Then you won't have to like repeat the cycle.
Okay, sir. And what I was also planning for answer writing of my optionals, and when it is the right time to start for optional writing.
I think once you are done with your basic syllabus, then you must go for answer writing. Answer writing can be integrated like in this batch, this 8 to 11 in the night. As of now, so I'm asking you go for newspaper and
Oh yes, yes.
current affairs.
Yes.
In this slot, we will add answer it. We have slot footer, right?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yes. Welcome. Anyone else?
Sir, hello.
Digital notes or handwritten, it's your choice. In whatever mode you are comfortable, you can make it. Okay. And one thing which I forgot to add, newspaper notes, the most common doubt many are having. Do we have to make the notes of from newspaper? I would say yes and no, both. Yes, for some factual, only fact, only factual info which you will get in the Hindu. That you have to add in your small notes, because there is a possibility that coaching institute might not cover that. But long notes or editorial notes, no, strictly no. Suppose there is issue going on, let's say Indo-Sri Lanka. Every day you will get one editorial. Every day you will get one new idea. And space is very much limited, 150 word to 250 word. You cannot integrate this editorial in your 150 word or 250 word answer. Working professional, yes. Just give me some time. I will share in this session itself. Okay. So what you have to do, and once you read the current affairs magazine of any coaching, you will be like, whatever notes I was making, those were not sufficient. And they have given you proper information. And they are giving lakhs of rupees to make that content. So why you are wasting your time? One thing you can do, just purchase some folders. That 5 rupee folder, na? Small plastic folders. And in that folder, purchase, let's say, 5 folders. Then one for essay, some good quote or some good things. GS1, GS2, GS3, GS4. Whatever article you find that it is important, cut it and just put it in that folder. Every week, open these folders. You will get hardly 4 or 5 editorial or some important thing, revise it. It will save your time and you will be able to do many things. Okay.
Sir, hello.
Yeah.
So basically, I have a GS video course. So how can I incorporate that particular course in this time format?
So in this 2 to 5 slot, na, watch that
Yes.
particular pro.
Okay, and make notes.
Yes. Make
Okay.
notes. Only then you will be alert. Otherwise, after
Okay.
20 minutes, you
Yeah.
will sleep. Right?
Yes, basically I'm doing that. And sir, for this newspaper thing, can I put what I do basically? I read the article and I just make a small note on this and just put it in that folder. So, but instead
Yes.
of paper cutting, I am making a own note and putting it. That's right, right?
How much time you are taking to do that?
It's basically my paper. The whole work takes it's 1.5 hours. Where
Then
making
it is
notes
fine.
and
Then it is fine. It is fine. Okay.
thank you.
Okay, working candidate. Let me go for working candidate. So those who are unemployed, they are frustrated because they don't have the job. And those who are in job, they are jealous of unemployed candidates that look, you are having 24 hours and still you are frustrated and you are not preparing. Look at us, we are having like on only 14 to 15 hours in a day. Out of that, 8 hours sleep is required. So roughly we are having 6 to 7 hours. And that too with the work, hectic work. Some of them, some of you might be working in bank. So this is very hectic job. Issue of leaves, this, that, what not. Working candidates. First thing, go digital. Purchase a tablet. if your office is cool, that okay, you are going through some content. If office is not cool, then you can use your phone. Tablet is best for our preparation. It is between laptop and phone, so it is handy. As per your budget, you can purchase a tablet. A good tablet, economically, I think you can find in 11 or 12K easily. So in this tablet, what you have to do? Two things: newspaper and current affairs. It is for all. Newspaper and current affairs. If you do with a tablet, you will take less time. You will be able to grasp more. Okay. Second thing, like others are having 3 slots, you'll have to make your own 3 slots. For this candidate, it is luxury to wake up at 8 a.m. and sleep by 12. You have to see your working hours. Let me assume that you are working for 10 to 6. Okay. So you have to see whether you are early morning person or night wala person. If you are early morning one, wake up at 6. From 6:30 to 9:30, that is your slot number 1, the most important slot. And you have to do it because there is no other way. Then second slot is in office. Generally, we find that we are not getting the time, but we do get the time in office. 15-minute break, 20-minute break, lunch hour, this hour, that hour. Do not waste it on gossiping, on talking to colleagues about the politics of India, or talking about other things. This office hour, whatever time you get, if you are working in the central government, let's say in income tax or GST, easily you can find 1.5 hour. Suppose you are working in private or in bank, you might find 30 minutes in your office, whole office hour. In this office, what you have to finish, not course book. This is your slot for 4 things, optional or GS. This is your slot for newspaper and current affairs. Because even if someone interrupts you and you are reading one editorial, you can jump to next editorial in the time whenever you get. And you have to behave like a mechanical person in office because you have these things with you. You have to do it. Then suppose you come back to your home at 7. Don't force yourself to study. Take a small nap. And this you have to make in your schedule. Nap. 40-45 minutes. And then study from 8:30 to 10 or 10:30. That depends on you. In this slot, you can do your look. If you are considering the target which I have given, then this is the slot, this morning slot for your option. Newspaper current affairs. This is for GS. Okay. Some are having Saturday, Sunday off. Some are having only Sunday. You cannot waste this day by resting. So for working candidate, you have to take the break from the preparation. That break can be on Monday, can be on Friday. It cannot be on Saturday or Sunday. This day, don't prepare anything. Take full day break so that you will be having the energy, required energy to prepare well on these 2 days. Got it? So this is what I feel that working candidate might uh, prepare, and while you are commuting, if you are going by bus or by local or by metro, pick your newspaper in front of them, start finishing it. I have done it. Like I used to travel from one place to another for my class, and I used to pick the Hindu, and I used to finish it in the metro, total 45 minutes. Others used to stare, let them stare. That is not your headache, because you have to utilize your time. Okay. Next question, please.
Sir, may I?
Just give me a second. Newspaper, what is the role of newspaper? And what is important in newspaper? These are two things. Whatever you read in GS or in essay wala part, newspaper gives you the applied knowledge. So you are applying this knowledge while going through the newspaper. Right? That is the role. And important news, mug up the GS syllabus. If you are finding any question from society, then that's important news for you. Environment, then that's important for you. Political news are not important for you. This is how we find. Yes, please continue. Someone was asking some doubt.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. I'm homemaker.
Okay.
Actually, I'm. Can I speak in Hindi?
Yes, please. आराम से
Okay.
बोलिए.
Okay, sir. एक्चुअली मैं ना डिसिप्लिन नहीं रह पाती हूँ. जस्ट लाइक कभी थोड़ा पॉलिटी पढ़ लिया, कभी थोड़ा हिस्ट्री पढ़ लिया, कभी मीन्स कुछ भी कंटिन्यू नहीं कर पा रही हूँ मैं. तो
Do you have kids?
What?
Do you have kids? Kids.
Yes.
Okay, that's added pressure on girls who are married. Okay.
तो
Yes, please.
कुछ भी डिसिप्लिन वे में नहीं हो पा रहा है मेरा. जस्ट लाइक रिटन पार्ट तो बहुत कम कर पाती हूँ. जस्ट लाइक मैं जो भी वर्क करती हूँ तो ऑलवेज हेडफोन लगा रहता है मेरे ईयर में कि मैं लिसन करते रहती हूँ जो भी है रिलेटेड मेरा सब्जेक्ट कुछ भी. तो मैं बस सुनते रहती हूँ सब कुछ, लेकिन
Family
रिटन
supportive है?
पार्ट हो नहीं पा रहा है. यस.
Okay, so that's a positive thing. What you have to do? ठीक है, अपना ना टाइमिंग आप अपना टाइमिंग देखो आप.
हाँ, मेरे पास का
time-
टाइमिंग है, मेरा स्लॉट है 4 to 6 AM.
Okay.
And 11 to 5 PM and 9 to 11 PM. This is my time.
अच्छा
I
खासा टाइम
have,
दे दो.
हाँ, I have time, but डिसिप्लिन मेंटेन नहीं कर पाती हूँ बिल्कुल भी.
देखो उसमें ना पता है होता क्या है ना,
हम्म.
होता क्या है ना, जैसे तीन चीजें हैं, what to read, from where to read, and how to read. And I don't know whether you are facing this or not. Suppose आपने हिस्ट्री पढ़ना चालू किया.
Yes.
एनसीईआरटी. किसी ने बोला 11th की एनसीईआरटी से कर लो. आप पढ़ने लगे, हाफ द वे मन नहीं कर रहा.
हाँ, वो होता
चीजें
है,
समझ नहीं आ रही.
मन नहीं कर रहा है, कभी कुछ
फिर
नहीं
हम-
समझ में आया
हाँ.
तो छोड़ दिया.
फिर हम टेलीग्राम पे आए, किसी ने
हम्म.
बोला ये XYZ बुक कर लो, सब बढ़िया है. फिर हमने वो बुक मंगा ली, फिर इसको आधा पढ़ा, यहाँ पे भी वो सेटिस्फेक्शन आया नहीं. फिर थर्ड मटेरियल. ठीक है, तो एक तो इशू ये है कि लॉट ऑफ मटेरियल.
Lots of material, right?
पहला. सेकंड ये हाउ, ये हमें पता ही नहीं फिनिश कैसे करना है. नहीं? तो हमें ये जो हाउ पार्ट है ना, इस पे फोकस करना है कि अगर मुझे एंशिएंट खत्म करना है तो इसको कैसे करना है. अब उसमें आपने करना क्या है, आपको प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पिक करने पड़ेंगे, कोई भी सब्जेक्ट, हाँ स्पेशली ऑप्शनल जिनका जो भी है,
हाँ, ऑप्शनल हिंदी लिटरेचर।
प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन इज द गेम।
हम्म।
आप कहीं से कोचिंग कर लेते हैं, आप किसी का टेस्ट सीरीज कर लेते हैं, अनलेस यू डू एनालिसिस ऑफ दिस, आपको पता ही नहीं चलेगा कि ये हाउ पार्ट क्या है, करना क्या है, क्योंकि सारा कुछ तो इम्पोर्टेंट लगा करता है हमें। तो अब आपको करना ये है कि सपोज आपको एंशिएंट करना है, तो एंशिएंट में जैसे ही आप पीवाईक्यू में जाएंगे, आपको पता चल जाएगा कि ये लोग जो क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं, ये पूछ रहे हैं आर्किटेक्चर से, ये क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं पेंटिंग से, ये क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं लिटरेचर से, ये क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं म्यूजिक से, है ना, एंड पेयर से, पेयर्स। अब आपने आर्किटेक्चर के क्वेश्चन देखे, कभी तो वो स्ट्रक्चर पे पूछ रहे हैं, कभी वो एरा में जा रहे हैं, कभी वो कंपेयर करा रहे हैं, कभी रूलर के नाम पे जा रहे हैं, ठीक है। तो हमें अब ये समझ में आ गया कि आर्किटेक्चर जब मैं पढ़ रही हूँ, सपोज एंशिएंट प्लस आर्ट एंड कल्चर, हम इसमें मिक्स कर लें आर्ट एंड कल्चर, ठीक है। तो अब आपको पता है कि अगर आप टेम्पल पढ़ रहे हैं, तो आपको स्ट्रक्चर पे भी फोकस करना पड़ेगा, एरा पे भी करना पड़ेगा, इसका कंपैरिजन नागर वर्सेस द्रविड़ा भी चेक करना पड़ेगा, रूलर भी चेक करना पड़ेगा। तो क्या है, थोड़ा सा माइंड जो है ना वो अलर्ट रहेगा। फॉर एग्जाम्पल इट्स लाइक नॉवेल, कुछ नॉवेल है हम पढ़ना चालू करते हैं, हमें पता नहीं है उसमें स्टोरी क्या है, लेकिन पहले से अगर थोड़ा सा प्लॉट मिल जाए तो बड़ा आसान होता है। तो ये प्लॉट जो है ना, ये हाउ वाला जो पार्ट है, ये प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन से मिलेगा हमें, ठीक है। तो आपको थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे ना थोड़ा अपना टाइम देना पड़ेगा, थोड़ा बैठना पड़ेगा प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस के साथ में, चाहे वो ऑप्शनल हो, चाहे वो जीएस मेंस हो, और चाहे वो प्रीलिम्स हो। फिर सेकंड पॉइंट ये कि वंस यू नो द हाउ एंड वंस यू हैव डन इट, अब जंप नहीं करना है हमें, हमें क्या करना है, प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर लेना है, चाहे वो मेंस के हों, चाहे वो प्री के हों। मेंस के लिए कहीं किसी कोचिंग की अगर आपने टेस्ट सीरीज ले रखी है तो आप उसको करें, वरना प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन में आप पॉइंट्स निकालें कि अच्छा इस वाले क्वेश्चन में मैं क्या क्या लिख सकती हूँ। आई होप आई हैव क्लियर योर डाउट। अगर
Yes,
कुछ
sir.
और इसमें ऐड करना है तो आप बताइए। और दूसरा ये है ना कि देखो, एक एक चीज, एक बहुत बड़ी चीज होती है गिल्ट ड्यूरिंग प्रिपरेशन। एवरीवन फेसेस दिस गिल्ट।
Yes, yes, sir.
This guilt is, please don't take me wrong, but there is a possibility कि you might be feeling कि काश शादी थोड़ी लेट कर लेते, थोड़ी तैयारी कर लेते, शायद किड्स थोड़ा सा हम प्लान कर लेते, है ना। किसी के लिए आता है कि आई एम सिटिंग इन दिल्ली,
अब नहीं
टेकिंग मनी।
आता है, बिकॉज लगता है कि जो भी टाइम बचा है यूटिलाइज कर लो। अब भी
है ना?
लगता है क्या, सब कुछ छोड़ दो, किसी को ब्लेम मत करो, जो
बस।
टाइम बचा है फोकस करो। अब माइंड यहाँ तक आ गया, बट अभी डिसिप्लिन वाला जो पार्ट है ना, और रिटर्न वाला पार्ट, वो नहीं हो पा रहा है मुझसे,
उसको
ये
मैं
दो
बताता हूँ,
चीज।
उसको मैं बताऊँ, ठीक है। ये जो गिल्ट है, समवन इज सिटिंग इन दिल्ली टेकिंग मनी फ्रॉम फैमिली, let's say 2 year 3 year, and you are in guilt that look, I have not even cleared the prelims. There are some, their family is not supportive, so they are like taunting every time.
नो नो, ये सब कुछ भी नहीं है।
जैसे कुछ लोगों के साथ में होता है, नहीं
हाँ हाँ
कुछ कैंडिडेट फेस इट।
हाँ हाँ, जैसे पहले होता था कुछ दिनों
हम्म,
पहले, अभी इन सारे चीजों से थोड़ा निकल पाई हूँ। तो
हम्म,
अभी लगता है जो भी टाइम है, फॉलो डिसिप्लिन एंड रिटन पार्ट,
yes,
ये दो चीज नहीं हो पा रहा है मुझसे।
वो मैं बताता हूँ ना। तो my only advice is please do not live in guilt. You might be in first attempt, you might be in last attempt. You might be 30, 32, doesn't matter. Once you get the rank, everything, the whole journey, you will be like, okay, it was worth living. UPSC exam first year, first attempt. It is tough because you have to cover a lot of syllabus. Second, tough. These 2 year exam is tough. After that, life is tough. Then exam is not tough. The journey, the whole journey becomes very tough because you will be having a lot of pressure from family. If you are male, then go for the job. If you are female, get married. And lot of mental issues, mental burden, self-doubt, whether I will be able to do it, whether I am capable or not, why I am so unlucky, self-doubts the whole day. You have a slot 9 to 12. You started preparing, and 9 from 9:30, you are looking back to your life, and you are like, I had made many mistakes. I had done that. I had done this, that. Whatever has happened, accept that, okay, whatever I have done, that was done. I cannot change it. But what you can change, that from October 6th, no guilt, only rule. No one is a pure saint in this world. Everyone makes the mistake. And there is a possibility that someone might have done something bad to you. You have to forget and forgive. Forgive yourself. Forgive others. Only then you will be able to move further. And trust me, this journey is very tough. Self-doubt is that. On 24th September, result was out. From the morning, I was getting the call that, sir, when it will be out. Then there were questions that, sir, I think I have not done well in GS, not in optional. I think my life will be ruined. Self-doubts. And by evening, some of them were rankers. All these talk, the morning talk, vanished. Everything is justified now. Okay. Then आपका जो issue है कि writing वाला part कर नहीं पा रहे हैं, है ना?
Yes.
Why? Because we all want to write answers and others are writing answers. And why we are not able to do it? Number one, inertia. Number two, fear. Inertia is there. Okay, tomorrow I will write. Tomorrow I will write. That thing is there. Then there is fear. You are seeing answer of others, and you are fearful that whatever I will write the worst answer. And we try to write perfect answers. Your first answer, you want to write as perfect. By just looking at that answer, UN must give you some award in literature. Okay. Your first answer will be the worst answer. Second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, worst answer. Let it be. Today only, please try this. Pick a very simple question. Pick a very simple question. But write that question. This fear has to be out of your head. That whatever I will write, whatever I know, I will write. Forget about introduction, conclusion, body, format, forget it. Just start your journey. And after 5 or 6 answer, you will be like, okay, now I can write. The first confidence which you need, I can write 150 word, I can write 250 words. The same fear comes in essay, and that is why the first attempt students, they write their first essay in the mains, because in the mains you are forced to write. So this thing has to be there. I can write. Then second, please do not become your own evaluator. You need someone to check your answer. And whatever input you are getting, in second stage, whatever input you are getting from any other person, it can be any coaching or any friend, but make sure spend some money in evaluation if you are not having issue. Then only you will be getting professional input. After this, add value. Third stage, here we add value. Then we make a final strategy. But the issue is student start from here. And that is why they are not able to write. Start from here. Write worst answers. Just after this session, Manu, please pick a
Yes, sir.
topic. जो भी टॉपिक आपको लगे कि मैं इसमें कंफर्टेबल हूँ, write your answer and share on SOMP inquiry just to ensure that yes लिखा है आज पहली बार. ठीक है, तो ये फियर को निकालो. कोई परफेक्ट आंसर होता ही नहीं है, बस एक स्ट्रक्चर होती है, उसी में हमें चीजों को फिट करना पड़ता है. And on answer writing will take many open sessions, but this fear should not be there. Got it?
Sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Anyone else?
Sir, hi, sir.
Hi.
Yeah, this is Mukesh, sir.
Hmm.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Actually, I'm a student of the PCM course. Actually, I'm very excited to start our journey.
Okay.
Yes, I have little doubts, sir.
Yes.
Like answer writing, sir. My answer writing was very weak, maybe because of lack of content, or I don't know, sir. But if I read any article from any newspaper or any Inside Secure, I was like, I was thinking to write a perfect answer, and I would do it for single answer. I was taking like 1 hour also, so sometimes most of the times it will take, I will research more, and to achieve the perfect answers. So how this PCM course will streamline my answer writing strategy and everything, sir?
Answer writing first requirement is content.
Yes, sir.
Second is consolidated content.
Yes.
Then third is start answer writing. Fourth is improve, add value. And fifth, and this is the last stage, your natural way of answer writing. So if you are not having the content, the basic requirement is content. If you're not having content, then you will not be able to write. Sometimes we do have the content. For example, let me take one question. Very simple one. Women position in society has improved in the last decade. Critically analyze. Is this a tough question?
No, sir, but looking easy, sir, but I
Yes,
think
looking
it
easy.
will
Okay. Wait,
get some very little
wait.
content.
Wait. First is prima facie, looking very easy. Everyone is like, I will write. So for this question, everyone is having some content here, there. And you must have, like those who are preparing for more than 1 year, you might have read more than 50 plus editorial on women position. Okay. And then you start your answer, intro. Then para 1, 2, 3, 4. Next is para 5, 6, 7, 8. Conclusion. After intro, you are struggling to enter here. that what should be my first para, then second, then third, then fourth, then fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. And you are confused. Content is definitely there. Issue is not of content. What is the issue? Issue is of consolidated content. This issue is the biggest issue why someone is not able to write good answer. Because in your mind, you are having knowledge of 50 plus editorial, current affairs, society notes, whatnot. You are having everything. But how to inculcate in these spaces? Then how to think? Statement is very simple. Women position in society has improved in the last decade in India. Critically analyze means you have to see whether it is the reality or not from both the sides. Critically analyze never means that you have to criticize. You have to see the positive side, you have to see the negative side. But you are stuck here. If you are having consolidated content, then you are good to go. What is this position? So you need heading and subheading. Like you have enrolled for the course, so don't worry, we'll take care of all the things. In answer writing, we use heading subheading format. That is the best format. If you are having subheadings, then your life becomes easier. So what all subheading are required in this question? I just have to replace this term with any term. Scheduled caste position, scheduled tribe position, elderly position, poor position. There can be 7 to 8 questions by just this line. So you need subheading. In women case, it can be political, societal, economy. These three major subheading I'm having. And when I'm talking about the issue, security. Okay. Now you have to analyze whether political improved or not, societal improved or not. Then societal may education, health, poverty. These three subheading of society, which will work here. Then economy, saving in decision making in the family, in economic terms. Then job and quality of job. If all the women in India starts working in Manrega, so data will say कि 100% employment to the women. भैया quality तो देखो. What is the quality? Then security. Are they secure? So you are having these subheadings. So this is first step where you can think that okay, let me think in the political term, let me think in societal term, health, education, poverty. Let me think in economic terms, let me think in security terms. This is consolidated content. So you are having some fodder material in each dimension. Then comes the issue that you are giving generic statement. You are like, yes, in education, women position has improved a lot. That is generic. And while you will do answer writing, you will always get feedback from us. Don't write generic statement. Give me supportive data. And data is very important in society. Data is very important. So you will be giving me data, MMR data, IMR data, enrollment in Education data, security data, NCRB data. This is how you add value. And finally, you will be having your natural way of answer writing. This is where someone gets 430, 440. The issue is that you will see topper's copy and you are copying the topper. That may or may not work for you. You are seeing the best copies and you are copying that. So you are copying someone else's strategy. That might not help you. So you have to pick some good point from topper's copy, from best copies. But ultimately, you have to reach here, Mukesh. You have to reach here.
Yes, sir.
Then you will be satisfied.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir. Yes. Thank you, sir. So my second question was, most of
Yes.
the toppers used to tell that cover syllabus, every word in the syllabus, like make 250 words for every topic in syllabus, for every word in syllabus. But there are a lot of broad topics like Indian economy or planning, mobilization, inclusive growth. These are very broad topics and there are very progressive topics also.
Yes.
How can
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Mukesh,
Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible. Just give me a second.
Yes, sir.
This topic, women. How can you make 250 word notes on this? You cannot. You are talking about economy. That's a very big term here.
Yes, sir.
Even in women, you cannot make 250 word notes. And why? Look, that's why, like, those who are attending my session regularly, they know my view on topper stop. They just simply say, open the dimension. How to open the dimension? Tell us now.
Yes, sir.
This 250 word notes you are having. Okay, let me make a question for you. And you will definitely cover political, economic, societal, security, right? In
Yes,
this
sir.
note?
Yes.
Okay. Your notes, will your notes be able to answer this question?
No, sir, we'll get hardly 50 words.
50 words. Defense forces.
Or maybe even 2-3 lines.
Now, if I replace this defense sector to science and tech, any line from that note? No.
Yes, sir.
So when we cover, look, many are looking for shortcuts. There is no shortcut. That person who made this 250 word notes, he or she made it after going through 3, 4, 5 times of the syllabus. Like even in security, even in society, on women, we will be having 2-page notes only. But that will be made after going through 3, 4, 5 times of the syllabus of the same topic. Then you will be writing only some important points, keywords. That okay, science and tech, STEM education you will see. Okay, then you will be having data and you will be writing, let's say 20%. Then you will be writing about space, defense, some personalities, just name. And you will be able to recall easily that why you have mentioned about STEM, why this data is 20%, what is the issue in space, in defense, what is their role. Then you will be able to recall. At the first instance, you cannot have, no one can have. You make a notes, I will change the question. And that is a very simple. This question is not tough. The problem is you are limited with these dimensions. Do not limit yourself. Got it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hmm.
My last question was what about SOMP notes, sir? What was different from
Yeah,
basic
you will get
material?
it. You will get it by evening, because Yogesh is the one who used to send the notes and his father is ill now. So
Okay, sir.
we are making some alternative arrangement for that.
Okay, sir. Okay.
You will get it by evening.
No, sir. What I'm asking that how
Yeah.
it will be useful, sir? Means it will be like value added, or it was like
Some of the notes are value added, some of the notes are complete. And in the session, suppose we have society notes, na?
yes, sir.
So when we'll start society, so we'll talk about it, that how you are going to use SOMP. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you.
Welcome.
Is that the 6 to 8 geography book is the old or the new one, sir?
New one.
Okay.
Geography will do from new.
Okay. Sir, and NCERT Arjun Dev book was not available, sir, in internet also. Like
Arjun Dev is not required, na?
old NCERT 8th class modern history was written by Arjun Dev.
Old 8th. Let me see. Someone might
Yeah.
have the PDF, and that person will share.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Sir, I will give my first attempt on 2022.
Okay.
Sir, my entropy optional in anthropology. Can you please suggest me perfect strategy for that?
For the anthropology, we had talked about strategy. I will share that video again. Okay.
Okay, sir. And sir, is it necessary to read the newspaper again regularly, or may I go with the current affairs FPA monthly notes?
Current affairs monthly is fine if you are not
Vision,
going
of
to daily
visions.
basis. Okay.
Okay, sir.
हेलो सर, ओजस्वी अगेन हियर.
Yes.
सर, अभी हमने कॉमर्स ऑप्शनल के रिगार्डिंग बात किया था, तो यू वर टेलिंग कि इंटरव्यू में मार्क्स कम आ रहे हैं. तो अभी मेरा स्टेटस क्या है सर? अभी ऑप्शनल के लिए मेरा ग्राउंड 0 है.
इंटरव्यू में मार्क्स कम नहीं आ रहे हैं. मैंने ये कहा है कि इंटरव्यू में ना कॉमर्स से क्वेश्चन ज्यादा पूछेंगे वो.
ओके. और इन केस अगर मतलब मैं नहीं बता पाता, क्योंकि सर काफी टाइम पहले कॉमर्स पढ़ा था मैं.
हाँ.
अराउंड 2014 के अराउंड. उसके बाद से टच में नहीं हूं मैं. अभी कॉमर्स ऑप्शनल ले रहा था यही सोच करके कि चलो थोड़ा शुरू कर. बट अगर ऐसा है तो सर मैं एंथ्रो की तरफ जा सकता हूँ क्या, आप जैसा बताया?
हाँ यार, देखो एंथ्रो एंड PSIR दोनों बढ़िया चल रहे हैं फिलहाल. एंथ्रो, PSIR, देन सोशियो, ये भी बढ़िया है. तीनों में से यू कैन चूज एनी. कॉमर्स का ये है ना सीन की अगर कॉमर्स में आपको लग रहा है यू आर कंफर्टेबल, देन यू कैन टेक, क्योंकि कॉमर्स में नंबर अच्छे आते हैं. बट इंटरव्यू के लिए घबराना नहीं है, उसकी भी तैयारी होती है, ऐसी कोई टेंशन वाली बात नहीं है. बट हाँ, दे विल एंटर इनटू मोर वो सीए वाला साइड ना.
हाँ सर, और मैंने सीए तो किया नहीं है ना ही सर. सीएस कुछ भी नहीं किया है.
हाँ, तो वो वहां पे वो एंट्री करते हैं फिर कि अच्छा ये वाला लॉ क्या है, ये वाले ऑडिट में कैसे करते हैं. तो थोड़ा सा वहां पे ये है कि टेक्निकल नॉलेज की ज्यादा जरूरत होती है, बाकी कोई और इशू नहीं.
तो सर यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम आ सकती है, तो इसलिए मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि एंथ्रो ले लूँ.
हाँ ठीक है, एंथ्रो इज गुड.
ओके सर. सर
हिंदी
वैसे शेयर
लिटरेचर
डिसीजन है
बहुत
ना
ही
सर
बढ़िया.
मेरा? ये
हाँ?
सर सॉरी सर.
नहीं वो किसी और का चैट पे डाउट था.
ओके सर, मैं बोल रहा था कि अभी तक कॉमर्स ही ले रहा था, बट आपकी बात समझ के मैं एंथ्रो की तरफ स्विच कर रहा हूँ. तो ये सही स्ट्रेटजी है सर? क्योंकि सर मार्क्स इंपॉर्टेंट है, बात ये सर.
बस इन द एंड वही है कि जो ऑप्शनल हमें 300 दे दे वो बेस्ट है.
हाँ सर, बस वही बात है.
मेडिकल साइंस है ना.
बस वही है सर, वही सर.
हाँ
सर एंथ्रो अभी बैकफायर तो नहीं करेगा फ्यूचर?
मतलब वीडियो है या स्ट्रेटजी कुछ ऐसा
किसके लिए?
जियोग्राफी ऑप्शन में.
Yes. We had taken one session, so I will share that.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yes, others.
Hi sir, this is
Hi.
Yuvraj.
हाँ भाई, क्या हाल चाल?
Sir, बढ़िया.
हाँ.
Sir, I had a doubt regarding optional. Like earlier when I started my preparation, I opted mechanical engineering. But then I was not able to pay the fees for an optional, and along with that, I thought I would prepare on my own. So when I started preparing on my own, I was not able to make a balance between mechanical as well as GS. So then I dropped the idea of mechanical, and then I took sociology as an optional. So I was able to understand it. But when I tried answer writing, even after writing 50 to 70 answers, I was not able to articulate in that way which is required. Like I used to not get fun. Like when I used to write, I used to feel कि यार क्या लिख रहा हूँ यार, मतलब समझ में सब कुछ आ रहा है, अंडरस्टैंडिंग जरूर डेवलप हो रही है, कोई मुझसे डायमेंशन भी पूछेगा तो बता दूंगा, बट जब उसको लिखने पे आता था तो मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि क्या ही लिख रहा हूँ, चलो 10 आंसर के बाद नहीं 50 आंसर के बाद तो ऐसा लगे कि हाँ यार अब कुछ तो लिख रहा हूँ। तो और फिर उसके लिए मैंने मतलब टेस्ट सीरीज भी ज्वाइन की थी, तो उसमें भी मेरे इतने ठीक ठाक नंबर नहीं आते थे, वो एवरेज ही आते थे, मतलब कि ठीक है आ रहे हैं। अब राइट नाउ आई एम स्टक कि व्हाट टू डू विद रिस्पेक्ट टू ऑप्शनल।
यार जो ह्यूमैनिटीज के जो होते हैं ना, ह्यूमैनिटीज ऑप्शनल जनरली दे आर बोरिंग, ऑल आर बोरिंग, राइट? So that boringness na, that is like no, I don't have to read it again, I don't have to add anything here, I can't do it. But what you have to do, go for previous year question and develop love for all the thinkers in anthro, in PSIR, socio, philo. You will be having many thinkers. You have to fall in love with the thinker, that okay sir kya baat kahi hai, jabardast, maze aa gaya. Only then you will develop some interest, only then you will explore about that particular thinker, about that particular issue. Only then you will be adding some value. Otherwise, same note, whatever notes you are referring or reading, you will keep on adding the content from this notes in the answer writing. And that is where even you will not be able to add all the content from that note, and that will give you frustration.
That's what.
So you have to fall in love with the thinkers. Then only you will be adding some value. Then only you will be doing something good in that particular optional.
But sir, now I've decided that I will not go with this sociology optional because I have more inclination towards scientific subjects. So I went through anthro, geo and geology, geography and geology. So then I found out that in anthro also I need to read thinkers, so I'm not opting for it. And there were some portions of anthro which were not making sense to me. Like according to me, that was my priority. But then I went through geography and geology. So I found both the interesting, but in geography, like there are huge number of candidates. So there could be a variation in the marks of what I feel, according to me. So then I decided कि मैं geology पे जाऊँगा because geology is like interesting और previous year question papers भी इतने नहीं आते, numericals आते हैं, but ठीक है उस पे आप command कर सकते हैं time के साथ. So I'm thinking of
plan कर रहे हो क्या?
नहीं sir, I'm not thinking of forest plan. मतलब Indian Forest Service तो नहीं plan कर रहा हूँ. इसलिए.
अगर forest plan कर रहे हो तभी मतलब है यार.
Okay.
हाँ.
So then that's what this is my dilemma right now. Like what should I do with respect to optional? Because यार humanities तो नहीं लूँगा मैं, मतलब मैं नहीं कर सकता उसको, मेरे को पता है.
Anthropology कर लो. Anthro is good.
But sir anthro में भी तो thinkers आते हैं. We need to connect it with the current affairs as well.
Technical है वो. थोड़ा सा technical है anthro. क्योंकि जियोलॉजी में अगर एंट्री मारोगे तो इट्स ऑल न्यू सब्जेक्ट, और अनलेस यू आर थिंकिंग ऑफ फॉरेस्ट, आई डोंट थिंक सो दैट विल बी अ वाइज decision because you have no background.
I had no background in geology. That's
right.
So sir, do we have a course regarding anthro?
Yes, we will launch just after October 10th.
Okay sir.
Okay.
Please.
Yeah. Anyone else? Any doubt?
सर मुझे न्यूज़पेपर रिलेटेड डाउट है.
हाँ बताइए.
और सर इसलिए बिकॉज अभी तक मैंने न्यूज़पेपर लगवाया तक भी नहीं है, तो पढ़ना तो शुरू करा ही नहीं है. बट मैंने टॉपर से सुना है सर स्टार्टिंग में तो टाइम लगता है न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ने में, और बिकॉज अभी सिर्फ 8 मंथ्स ही हैं, तो इसलिए मैं पूछ रही थी कि मुझे डायरेक्ट जो वो करंट अफेयर्स के रात को क्वेश्चंस आते हैं फॉरम IAS वगैरह पे, उन पे स्विच करना चाहिए और साथ साथ यूट्यूब पे वीडियो देखनी चाहिए, या मुझे न्यूज़पेपर लगवा के एडिटोरियल ही स्टार्ट करना चाहिए?
आप ना ओनली IAS इंस्टीट्यूट है.
यस सर, यस सर.
तो उनका डेली का आता है, जो सुमित सर का आता है 30 मिनट का, है ना? तो अगर आप कर लेंगे ना डेली वाला, तो आई थिंक वहां से वो कवर हो जाएगा, इशू नहीं रहेगा.
ओके सर.
हाँ वो
तो
अच्छा है.
यानी न्यूज़पेपर लगवा लूं, एडिटोरियल रीड करके फिर ओनली IAS की वीडियोस फॉलो करूं.
पहले आप एक काम करें, आप पहले ओनली IAS की वीडियो देखें, फिर आप एडिटोरियल पढ़ें.
ओके सर.
तो उससे क्या है, एक प्लॉट मिल जाएगा कि इस पर्टिकुलर एडिटोरियल में होने क्या वाला
हाँ जी।
तो वो आपको वहां से हेल्प मिल जाएगी।
ओके सर। और सर ये ज्योग्राफी की न्यू एनसीईआरटीज लेना इम्पोर्टेंट है क्या? लाइक मेरे स्कूल टाइम की है तो वो यूज नहीं कर
नहीं, ले
सकती
लो।
मैं?
स्कूल टाइम वाली
ओके
तो उसको
ओके
म्यूजियम में रखने के काम आएगी, अभी
ओके
आपको नहीं लेनी पड़ेगी।
ओके सर। ओके, थैंक यू सर।
ओके, वेलकम। यस, गुड टैबलेट, यार इट डिपेंड्स ऑन योर बजट, वेदर यू नीड टैबलेट विद स्टाइलस और नॉट, मीन्स जो ये पेन जिससे मैं लिख रहा हूँ ऐसा चाहिए, या फिर सिर्फ न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ना और करंट अफेयर्स पढ़ने के लिए चाहिए और पीडीएफ में एडिट करने वाला चाहिए। ठीक है, तो ऑनर का आता है, ऑनर का आता है अराउंड 11-12 तक, वो सही है।
सर ये
ठीक है,
पीडीएफ में एडिट करने वाला चाहिए जिस तरह से आप यूज करते हैं, जैसे
यार
काफी
ये
ज्यादा
वाला,
वर्क
हाँ,
है।
हाँ, तो देखो ये वाले में ना, मेरा वाला तो खैर बहुत हाई एंड है, बट एक सैमसंग का आता है S6, वो पड़ेगा आई थिंक 25 तक पड़ेगा वो। तो उसमें जैसे मैं ये पेन यूज कर रहा हूँ ना, तो वो आप कर सकते हो। और आई थिंक साहिल इज इन द सेशन। साहिल, आर यू देयर?
यस सर।
हाँ, तो साहिल भी यूज कर रहे हैं सेम। तो साहिल, कोई दिक्कत इसमें अभी तक?
नहीं सर, बढ़िया S6 सही टैबलेट है।
हाँ, तो वो आप ले लो। और
ठीक है सर।
इसमें ना एक ट्रिक बताता हूँ मैं। कुछ ऑफर मिलेंगे ना, जो क्रेडिट कार्ड वाले,
यस सर।
कि उस पे 10% ऑफ या फिर 5% ऑफ, जो भी है वो तो लेना ही है ऑफ। ठीक है, दोस्तों से जुगाड़ कर लेना। कोई दोस्त हो जिसकी कंपनी हो, वो जीएसटी के साथ में रजिस्टर्ड हो, ठीक है, तो उससे कह देना कि भाई तुम्हारा जीएसटी नंबर दे दो यार मुझे, तो उसमें रिफंड अच्छा खासा मिल जाता है। आई थिंक 3 to 4,000 का रिफंड मिल जाएगा। तो फिर ये टैबलेट 26 की जगह 21 या 22 का पड़ जाएगा।
अच्छा सर। सर कल देखा था सर 30,000 में आईपैड आ रहा है, तो
आईपैड,
मतलब
लेकिन वो 30 वाला ना, वो आपको उसका ईयर चेक करना पड़ेगा कि शायद वो पुराना ईयर वाला
सर
हो।
9th जनरेशन है।
9th जनरेशन है।
तो
यस सर।
30 वाला ना शायद विदाउट उनके पेंसिल, एप्पल पेंसिल।
हाँ, विदाउट पेंसिल, विदाउट।
हाँ, तो उसके 10,000 के आसपास की पेंसिल आती है शायद।
अरे रे रे रे, तो बहुत ही कॉस्टली हो जाएगा।
एप्पल,
ठीक है सर।
एप्पल वो एलिफेंट है कि खरीदना आसान है, उसकी मेंटेनेंस बड़ी मुश्किल है।
करेक्ट बोला सर, करेक्ट।
साहिल, पेन भी
हाँ
अलग
जी
से
सर।
खरीदना पड़ेगा, चार्जर भी उसका अलग से खरीदना पड़ता है, वो भी शायद 3-3.5
नहीं
हजार
सर,
रुपए।
नहीं सर, उसमें चार्जर मिल रहा है, बस पेंसिल नहीं दे रहे वो।
अच्छा अच्छा, हाँ, तो पेंसिल तो 10,000 की है भाई एप्पल।
सही बात है। तो सर सैमसंग
सैमसंग,
के साथ ही जाता हूँ।
हाँ हाँ, सैमसंग ठीक है।
थैंक यू सर।
ओके, वेलकम। एनीवन, एनी डाउट? Any kind of doubt anyone is having?
सर एक रिक्वेस्ट थी, जैसा
हाँ हाँ,
कभी भी आप ना पर्सनल लेवल पे ये एक बार एक स्ट्रेटेजी जरूर बताइएगा कि हाउ टू चूज एन ऑप्शनल। देखिए सर, मार्क्स के लिए पढ़ना है इस टाइम पे, क्योंकि सर तो आप ना कभी शेयर करिएगा इस बारे में, कभी भी कैसा भी सेशन।
ठीक है, डेफिनेटली आई विल, डेफिनेटली आई विल। ओके।
थैंक यू सर।
और सर हमें मेंटर्स कब असाइन होंगे, लाइक जिनको हम मैसेज करके पर्सनली पूछ सकते हैं डाउट?
आपने एनरोल कर लिया ना?
यस सर।
बस अभी आपको विद इन 1 or 2 आवर में मेंटर हम लोग असाइन कर देंगे।
ओके, थैंक यू
ठीक है,
सर।
ओके, वेलकम। एनीवन, एनीथिंग? रूम साफ कर लेना आज सारे लोग, ठीक है। और रूम साफ करने के बाद कल मॉर्निंग से अच्छे से पढ़ाई चालू कर देनी है। यस, अश्विन, प्लीज आस्क योर डाउट। Ashwin, are you having any doubt?
Hello.
Hello, yes.
Sir, I have a doubt regarding optional.
Okay.
What is the prospect of chemistry as an optional? Sir, I have done electrical engineering, so I want to know what chemistry. I have written
chemistry.
One
This year,
main
chemistry was
one,
not.
but I didn't qualify for interview with
Yes,
geography. But that was 3 years before. Then 2 prelims I didn't qualify. That's the issue, sir.
Your chemistry is not doing good. Okay, so I think you have to shift from chemistry. So chemistry is not a very good optional in this year.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Anyone? Anything? So I hope that you all will prepare well. And if anyone faces any issue or anything, please feel free to contact us. Okay, guys. So prepare well, and we'll meet again on the session, right? And those who have enrolled, I will be sharing one session link just now. Kindly attend that for some time. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys. Then prepare well. We'll meet again in the session.